In this video, what I have here today is the Power for Fun. This is the pop puzzle. Check this out, everybody. This is great for ages 3 years old to 103 years old. And you know, it is part of the STEM, which, I mean, you can see what STEM means there. I don't have to explain it. And this is won the Mom's Choice Award. And this is just something really cool that can kind of help young kids to kind of like build puzzles and kind of work your brain a little bit. And here's a lot of the things that it can help out with right here. And let's just go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like. So we got a little piece of plastic there. It's a plastic and a plastic. Wow, look at this thing. So this does two things. It's a puzzle that can teach you colors, but it also kind of gives you a little popper. You hear that? My fingers are a little fat to get down in there, but it kind of like gives you a little fidget to play around with, those little popper toys. But what this company's done, they figured out, so let's say you would dump these out and then you'd put these back together. So it'd be like color coordinated, and it's really cool how this thing sets up. So it's going to kind of teach you how to work with these shapes, and it's also going to teach you colors and all that. So it's kind of, if you look at it, everybody, it's kind of like a little version of Tetris. It's like popping Tetris, but it's also kind of an educational type toy for a small kid that's just kind of like learning shapes and patterns and how to put things together. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the pop puzzle. See you all in the next video.